सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम। स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले।
The state is one step closer to realizing its ambitions. Introduce English as a medium of instruction in government school. The 1,000 Karnataka government schools announced in the year 2019-20 budget in Hubli headquarters will have English medium section in class 1 in addition to Kannada as well as Urdu medium. This year in introduction of English medium school in our school is another landmark in the success story of the school. It's my gratitude towards our respected DPI Sri Divakar Shetty, Diet Principal Sri B.V. Naik and BO Sri Sadanand Swami and beloved CRP Imtiaz Sheikh and Muhammad Hassan Choti. Under their guidance, our English medium section is running smoothly. Thank you.
हम जो बन ना सके थे कभी, काटी जैसी भी हो जिंदगी, पर अपने बच्चों को हम देंगे उनकी राहें।